Welcome back to the channel. Creators, in today's video, we're diving into 5 AI-powered, faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start in 2024. Whether you're camera shy or just want to maximize efficiency, these ideas will help you leverage AI to create engaging content without ever showing your face. Let's get started. AI-generated storytelling channel. First up, we have the AI-generated storytelling channel. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create captivating stories across various genres, whether it's sci-fi, horror, or even children's bedtime stories. You don't need to appear on camera. Just let the AI craft the story and pair it with royalty-free visuals and background music to bring it to life. Idea 2, AI-driven fact channels next. Consider an AI-driven fact channel. AI can help you compile interesting facts on virtually any topic, be it science, history, or random trivia. Use AI to generate scripts and pair them with engaging visuals and AI voiceovers to create informative and entertaining videos. Idea 3, automated top 10 lists. Number 3 is the automated top 10 list channel. From movies and video games to bizarre facts and life hacks, top 10 videos are always a hit. AI can help you research, script, and even automate the video creation process, making it easier to churn out content quickly. Idea 4, AI-powered educational channels. Educational content is in high demand, and AI can help you create a faceless educational channel. Whether you want to teach coding, language learning, or even financial literacy, AI can assist in script writing, generating visuals, and even providing voiceover narration. Idea 5, niche music compilation channels. Finally, a niche music compilation channel could be your ticket to success. With AI tools, you can create playlists of royalty-free music based on moods, genres, or activities. You can also generate AI visuals to accompany the music, making for a truly unique experience. And there you have it, 5 AI-powered, faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep creating.